Last village of the India. No any civil like Indian civil or anyone can go except the army or military persons. So now we are standing at one of the most iconic place. As height is increasing, oxygen level is decreasing. So now I started feeling the deficiency of the oxygen in air. Sadhas.
Get set, go!
What do you think when I say the word last? Everyone remember their first. First trip, first best friend, first love, first school, and many other things. But did you ever think about last? I think no. No one ever thinks about their last. This time we will explore everything around the word last. Last post office, last dhaba, and yes, last village of India. That is CHITKUL. CHITKUL is located at altitude of 11,319 feet. And to reach here, one has to go through one of the most dangerous roads. One wrong turn can cost your life here. So if you are driving here, always stay alert. You might have seen we were at Rampur Bushehr in last video. If you have not seen that video yet, I am attaching the link here. Now we have started our trip again from the Rampur Bushehr and going to CHITKUL. So indeed we found this beautiful spot. When we started our journey to CHITKUL, we came across one of the man-made wonder, a tunnel at Khimring, Dhankh. So now we are standing at one of the most iconic places. So the place which you are seeing, this is not something carved with the machines or something. This is developed with the handwork, and this road was built as indo-Tibetan road, so it used to connect the Indian and Tibet before, but now due to the China border and everything, so some part of this road is now part of a national highway for India, and actually this road goes to the Tibet, so that's why it's called the Indo-Tibetan. It is unbelievable that tunnel through a vertical rock face was constructed with basic tools without any modern blasting and rock cutting machine. This road is also featured on History Channel. If you remember the name of show, deadliest road in the world built in 19th century. During our journey to CHITKUL, we came across our first authentic Tibetan local restaurant. And I swear it was really yummy. We ordered some local chow mein and veg momos.
How's it?
Very tasty and very authentic. Also, while going to CHITKUL, you will travel along BASPA river. So we just took short afternoon break in our journey and explored a BASPA hydropower plant. So this is BASPA 300 megawatt plant. So this is written as a BASPA 2. So there might be a different hydropower plant also. CHITKUL is 90 km away from the main Indo-Tibetan road, and this road is also rigid, adventurous and very beautiful. Once we reached to CHITKUL, we kept our baggages in tent and decided to explore surrounding area of CHITKUL. So, after coming to CHITKUL, the last village of the India, we decided just to go and explore some part of the village. So basically, we come ahead of the village. So there is one army camp. Here, which is the last post, and from that particular army camp, no any civil like Indian civil or anyone can go except the army or military persons. And we're so lucky that after coming here, you can see we got that kind of sunlight It's very beautiful. And another important thing is, as height is increasing, oxygen level is decreasing. So now I started feeling the deficiency of the oxygen in air. So I'm just normally walking, but still it feels like I still need a lot of oxygen. But yes, the view is pretty amazing. And another thing is, just behind this particular mountain range there is another range which is filled with the snow, and you cannot find any tree over it. So it's a sudden and drastic change of green mountain to the desert mountain. All civil movements beyond Chitkul is prohibited. This is the reason why Chitkul is called the last village of India. The area lying beyond the CHITKUL Village is under control of Indo-Tibetian border police. After some exploration, we went into deep sleep, and believe me, it was freezing cold night. No man, I cannot describe it in words how freezing it is. Despite being in such cold climate in Germany, this cold was very different because of fog. So basically, after coming to the camp, this is everyday's routine. I have to charge my laptop, GoPro, mobile, then drone batteries, which I have not connected yet because there is only 2 port, and again I'm taking the backup every day. So I think almost each day I'm making almost 20 GB of the total content, but obviously most of the part will get deleted. Yeah, and still there is a DSLR battery remaining. Yeah, so that's the daily routine when I wind up the day.
ये तो हमें 6 बजे बुलाने आया था.
7:10.
Get set go. There's our drone is going.
We also visited the last dhaba of India. So if you don't know what I mean by dhaba, so dhaba is basically small roadside restaurant or food stall. 2 major attraction point of Chitkul is Mati Devi temple and BASPA river with its beautiful valley. You already seen BASPA river and its beautiful valley. And now here is Mati Devi temple. After this we left Chitkul for our next exploration. Now it's your turn to experience the word last. So pack your bag and plan your trip. Wait. Don't be in a hurry. Before you plan, watch this series completely, because as we move ahead, this travel becomes more and more adventurous, dynamic and unbelievable. Till then, stay tuned. Also, if you think this is very nice video, so you can also share with your friends and family, and also let them enjoy this travel experience. Water, which is basically, this water is directly coming from the glacier. I can hear the 2 echoes. I don't know about you. Suicide point, but actual view of the suicide point and the depth of the suicide point you can see if you come little bit ahead of the suicide point.